Rearrange x, p plus a equals to 9 to make p the subject of this formula. Alright, so first step, we rewrite the exact same equation. And our target, friends, is to keep p on one side. So we have to kick the x out. So it becomes 9 over x. Okay, p plus a is equals to 9 over x. And then you can kick the a out now because we only want p to be the subject. So p is 9 over x minus a over 1. And then you can make this into one nice fraction, okay? So you multiply by x here. And you're left with 9 minus ax over x as our final answer for this subject of formula rearranging question.